Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to receive XRP on MetaMask. It's important to understand that MetaMask is designed for Ethereum and other EVM-compatible networks. Native XRP, however, exists on the XRP ledger, a separate blockchain. This means you cannot directly receive native XRP in your MetaMask wallet. We'll explore the only way to have XRP functionality within MetaMask. The solution involves using wrapped XRP or WXRP. This is an ERC20 token, meaning it's compatible with the Ethereum network and other EVM chains that MetaMask supports. Essentially, WXRP is a tokenized version of XRP that allows it to exist and be transacted on these compatible networks. By acquiring WXRP, you can effectively have XRP's value within your MetaMask wallet. To get WXRP, you typically have two main options. First, you can bridge your native XRP from the XRP ledger to an EVM-compatible network using a reputable bridging service. Alternatively, you can swap other cryptocurrencies for WXRP on a decentralized exchange that operates on a supported network. Remember to always ensure the correct network is added to your MetaMask. When dealing with WXRP, always double-check the contract address to avoid scams and ensure you're interacting with the legitimate token. Also, be mindful of the varying transaction fees across different EVM-compatible networks, as these can impact your overall cost. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, make sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.